Hi Sunshine, my name is Loudies. I'm so happy to see you here on my sunny bee farm. Now I have a riddle for you. Are you ready? It's about something bees love very much. Look closely and think carefully. For bees, this shape is truly divine. In their world, there's none so fine. 6 sides it has, a perfect figure. What is it? The space for the buzzing bee's rigor. Can you guess? Of course. It's a hexagon. That's the shape of honeycombs inside the hive. Bees use it to store their honey and take care of baby bees. Pretty smart, right? And now, please, be so kind and help me solve a little bee math challenge. I have 3 queen bees, and together they are 10 years old. The question is, how old? Will they be together in 3 years? Give it some thought, do the math, then send me your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like.